We are on E85 now. Bro, there's a cop behind me. How much gas I have? I'm on 91 right now. I'm on 91, so I'm trying to go back to 85. If I make it to the gas station, I'll show you guys how do I switch my maps, because I don't have flex fuel. I have a dual map. All right, let's go. So I'm here. I made it. The ideal way to do it is maybe put half a gallon, drive around, then come back and refill it. But I can't do that because we're going to a meet, and this is the only 85 around. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put maybe I'm gonna put $20 and just take it easy. So let's put E85. I like the wing. You know I like the wing. This is dope. So yeah, I'm gonna go on E85 right now. I'm gonna go on E85. Let's put that good. I think my other friend is here too. Yeah, is he? Se compa Brian, mira. Let's do his cam. Ahí está, cabrón. Look the price difference. Hold up. All right, E85 is $2.99. 91 is $3.69.9. Almost a goddamn $1 difference. Holy shit. Hey, E85. Yes. All right, we are on E85 now. Now we're gonna switch maps because I am not on flex. I'm broke. I can't afford such a thing. Alright, I'll show you guys. Let me zoom out. Oh, we're good. So my car doesn't like this when I switch different gases. Let's see. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn it on, not just on the on position. I'm gonna hold cruise control a couple seconds, then I'm gonna push up. That is okay, so that's 91, that's E85 low boost. I think that's high boost, and that's pops and bangs. Let's stay on high boost, and then I'm gonna press cruise control again. Change system service required. Oh shit, I don't know what's up with that. First turn on E85. Let's see how. It's acting normal. Yeah, I think we're good. That's it. We're on E85 max. We're on E85 now. Hey. Bro, there's a cop behind me. I'm going to jail. You see, I don't want to get a ticket, bro, because it's going to be too much. I don't want to get a ticket. I don't want to get a ticket. Move out the way, bitches. Damn, looks lit. We gotta go though. So we are leaving. is everybody leaving? Gonna run me over? I almost got run over. ¿Ya están todos, güey? That color's dope as fuck. All right. Make Brian two-step. I would two-step, but I barely switched to 85, so I can't do that. Brian, two-step, okay? Nah, a Chile, allá arriba. ¿Ya? ¿Allá arriba? Sí, ni modo que aquí, güey. Ah, pero cuando bajamos acá vamos a hablar más. Nah, allá arriba, no hay pedo. Two-step right here then? ¿Cuando vas por aquí? Yeah? No, más allá. Nah, aquí, güey, no hay pedo. Mira ese güey. Oh, shit. Bro, he's getting off work. Ya, porque si lo hacemos acá, van a ver más quiénes somos. Y van a llegar a seguir, van a seguir. Nah, aquí abajo no hay pedo. Ahí viene el güey ya. We're going to be the last one. Look, Brian's coming. Hey! Homeboy Brian is coming. Two-step. Two-step. I'm a bad influence. Two-step. Hey, he's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it. Dale, dale. Dale pues. Dale pues. Oh, woo! All right. We're going. Hey. The last one. Here's my boy Brian. He did it. He did it for y'all. Ken Martinez, güey. Martinez. Ken hold up. Ya valió madre, allá está en Chota. Pues nomás vamos a un gas station. Alright, go. There's cops everywhere. Two-step, Brian. Nah. This 370 wants to run it. Let's go! I got him. I like those headlights a lot, bro. 15 and up, they're beautiful. $13.20, hey. You know he's about business. You think we're gonna get kicked out of here? Was this a track hawk? Is it? I think it is. I think it is. That's dope. That's dope. For the Infinity también anda. I don't know if I'll bag the Evo. I don't think so. I'll bag the 350, no fucks given. Ah, so dope. Güey, a mí me hace falta ese palito.
Está más chiquito esta, güey.
Yeah, mine's too big. Yeah, mine's way too big. You know, I got that big one.
Hey, you know, but
you know, you got
those things, man.
Pro Charge. That's dope. That's dope. All right.
What it do?
Oh, this dude. Perfect. Shit. Look at Ryan. We're such a noobs recording. Look at Ryan with his little stick. Look at him with his little stick. Look at him. That shit's loud. Bro, that's loud.
That shit feels good, boy.
We gotta leave. He's gonna get stopped. He's fucked. He's fucked. It was fun though. I didn't want to come today, but it's fun. Oh, she's beautiful. I'll get stopped. That was it for today. That was fun. They stopped somebody. I think it was the Mustang that did a burnout. He's getting lectured.